Hi, my name's Jacqueline Kulik, and today I will be talking to you about accessibility, and specifically how to find accessibility features on your PC, and also how to set up alternative input devices. And I'll be using Windows 7 for this demonstration. If you have a PC, this tutorial will help you become familiar with the accessibility features on your PC. This tutorial will also aid you in setting up alternative input devices. That means ways to enter information into your computer other than typing it in on a keyboard and/or using a mouse. This tutorial was designed with those who have difficulty using their hands or fingers in mind, but it can be useful to anyone who might need a different method to enter information into their computer. We're going to start with learning how to locate the accessibility features on your PC. Now I'm in Windows 7, and to find the accessibility features that already come with your computer, you're going to click on the Start icon and select the All Programs. And once you do that, you're going to have a long list, and you can see you can scroll here. You're going to want the Accessories folder. So we're going to scroll through all the programs until we get to the folders. And there you'll find Accessories at the top. Once you click on the Accessories folder, you're going to find the Ease of Access folder. And in here, these are the accessibility features that are on the computer. There's the Ease of Access Center, Magnifier, Narrator, and On-Screen Keyboard, and Windows Speech Recognition. We're going to start in the Ease of Access Center. So when you click on that, it's going to open up with all of the Ease of Access features. Now that we are in here, we can scroll down and you'll see all of the different features that you can use that many of you are probably not even aware your computer came equipped with. And now we're going to look more closely at how to set up alternative input devices. Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. When we click on this, you come to this screen that says you can type using a pointing device, or you can avoid using the mouse and the keyboard. To begin, we're going to look at how to type using a pointing device. And to do that, you're going to be given an on-screen keyboard to use. So if you click Use the on-screen keyboard, and then come down and click Apply at the bottom, this will now start your computer with an on-screen keyboard, such as the one you see on the screen now. And now, when you're in a program where you need to enter text, instead of having to type on the keyboard, you'll be able to use your mouse or any other pointing device, such as a joystick, to select the different text you need. So once you've gone to the Ease of Access Center on your PC, and you've selected an on-screen keyboard, when you restart your computer, you're going to see this little keyboard icon on your taskbar automatically, and it says on-screen keyboard when you hover over it. Now you can click on that icon and your keyboard will pop up, and then you can use it whenever you'd rather enter information this way than using the keyboard on your computer. And at the beginning, it's kind of challenging to understand what you can use this for and what you can't. So to walk you through it, if you click the Help button right here on the keyboard, it takes you to the Windows Help and Support, and it's automatically giving you the help and information for typing without using the keyboard. And it has a few things that you can just click and find more information about, such as how to change information, how information is entered on the screen keyboard, to set an on-screen keyboard to use audible clicks, to use a numeric keypad in on-screen keyboard, or to enable text prediction in on-screen keyboard. So once you go through the help menu and learn more about how to use your on-screen keyboard, this can become a very helpful way to enter information into your computer. And now we're going to look at how to enter information into your computer without using a keyboard or a mouse. Okay, we're back in the Ease of Access Center. Remember, we clicked on the Start icon and searched in the All Programs to find the Accessories folder and the Ease of Access folder. And we entered the Ease of Access Center, and this is what we come to. And now we're going back to the Use the Computer Without a Mouse or Keyboard link. And once we're in here, we already did the Use on-screen keyboard. Now we're looking at avoiding using the mouse and keyboard. by speaking into a microphone to control the computer, open programs, and dictate text. So you can click on the Use Speech Recognition, and once you do that, it's going to take you to a screen that kind of walks you through setting up your computer for using speech recognition. And it says configure your speech recognition experience. You can go ahead and click Start Speech Recognition right away to start using your voice to control your computer. But sometimes you might need to go through and set up your microphone. You can take a speech tutorial that will help you to speak more clearly, and the computer will be able to understand basic commands that you say. You can train your computer to better understand you, and you can open the speech reference card. Okay, I'm going to walk you through what happens when we click the Start Speech Recognition option. You'll be taken to a screen that just welcomes you to the speech recognition and gives you a little information about what you can do. It says first you will set up this computer to recognize your voice, and you will be able to control your computer by voice once you have completed this setup wizard. So once you've read through this, you can go ahead and click Next, and now it's going to ask what type of microphone you're using. You can use your desktop microphone, sometimes there's a built-in microphone for your computer. Right now I'm using a headset microphone, so we're going to keep this option highlighted, and we're going to go to the Next. And it says make sure your microphone is placed properly. Position the microphone about an inch from your mouth, off to one side. Do not breathe directly into the microphone, and make sure that the mute button is not set to mute. Once you click Next, it says adjust the volume of microphone line in. Read the following sentence aloud in a natural speaking voice. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Now your microphone is set up, and it says the microphone is ready to use with this computer. Now you want to improve the speech recognition and accuracy. You can improve the computer's ability to recognize spoken words by allowing the computer to review documents and email in your search index. The computer will learn words and phrases to better understand you when you speak. So do you want to enable the document review or disable the document review? I'm going to disable it for now, just to show you what comes next. Then you can choose an activation mode. You can choose what will happen when you say stop listening. When you choose manual activation mode, Windows Speech Recognition turns off when you say stop listening, and must be turned on by clicking the microphone button or pressing the Control and Window key. When you choose voice activation mode, speech recognition goes to sleep and can be activated by saying start listening. So you can choose whether you want to have manual activation for your speech recognition or whether you want voice activation. So we'll go ahead and do the voice activation. And we're not going to do anything with the speech reference card, so we're going to go ahead and do Next. Now you can run the speech recognition at startup, and every time that your computer starts, the speech recognition is going to be running for you. Now we can control our computer by voice. It says they strongly recommend that you take the interactive speech recognition tutorial. You will learn and practice the commands that will let you successfully control your computer by voice. If you want to start the tutorial, you can click Start Tutorial. But we're going to end here. Now we have looked at where the accessibility features are located on the PC, and we've also discovered how to set up the speech recognition and also set up an on-screen keyboard. So hopefully these two things will be helpful to those of you who need such options for inputting information into your computer. And thank you for listening.